Hello, my dear English learners. Welcome back to our Speak English Fluently in 15 Days challenge. This is day 4, and I'm so happy you're here with me again today. Today, we're going to talk about a fun and personal topic: your hobbies. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to talk about what you like to do in your free time, naturally, clearly, and confidently. Remember, this is your daily English shadowing practice. That means listen carefully, repeat after me, and speak out loud. Don't just listen, use your voice. Because when you speak, you learn faster. And when you repeat daily, your English becomes smooth and automatic. All right, take a deep breath. Say it with me. I'm ready to speak English today. One more time. Louder this time. I'm ready to speak English today. Fantastic. You sound great. Let's warm up our mouths and voices with some simple sentences about hobbies. All right. Let's start with a few easy phrases about hobbies. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and focus on clear pronunciation. I like playing football. I love reading books. I enjoy listening to music. I like watching movies. I love cooking new dishes. I enjoy drawing and painting. I like going for a walk in the evening. I enjoy spending time with my friends. I love learning new things. I like relaxing at home on weekends. Excellent. You're doing an amazing job. Hobbies tell people a lot about who you are, your interests, your personality, and what makes you happy. In the next section, we'll practice longer, natural sentences about hobbies, the kind of sentences you can use in real conversations with friends, classmates, or teachers. Take a small break, relax your mouth, and get ready for the shadowing practice section. All right, my friend, it's time for shadowing practice. In this section, we'll practice real sentences you can use to talk about your hobbies in everyday life. Remember? Listen carefully. Repeat after me and try to copy my tone, speed, and emotion. Let's begin. My favorite hobby is reading books. I like reading in the morning when it's quiet. I enjoy listening to music when I'm relaxing. I love watching movies with my family on weekends. I like cooking because it makes me happy. I enjoy playing football after school. I like taking photos of nature. I love drawing in my free time. I enjoy dancing to my favorite songs. I like going to the park for a walk. I started playing the guitar 2 years ago. I practice guitar every evening. I feel relaxed when I paint. I love trying new recipes when I have time. I like watching travel videos online. I enjoy learning new languages. I often go cycling on weekends. I like spending time in nature. I love playing games with my friends. I feel happy when I do my hobbies. Fantastic job. You just practiced 20 powerful sentences that you can use anywhere, in a classroom, in conversation, or even in your English exam. Now, don't stop here. In the next section, we'll practice these same sentences again, but this time at a more natural, fluent speed. You'll learn how to connect your words smoothly, just like native speakers do. Take a deep breath, smile, and get ready for the natural speed practice coming up next. You've done great so far. Now, it's time to level up your fluency. In this part, we'll say the same sentences again, but this time a little faster and more naturally. Don't worry about being perfect. Just listen, feel the rhythm, and shadow my voice. Let's begin. My favorite hobby is reading books. I like reading in the morning when it's quiet. I enjoy listening to music when I'm relaxing. I love watching movies with my family on weekends. I like cooking because it makes me happy. I enjoy playing football after school. I like taking photos of nature. I love drawing in my free time. I enjoy dancing to my favorite songs. I like going to the park for a walk. Great work. Let's keep going. With even more confidence and rhythm. I started playing the guitar 2 years ago. I practice guitar every evening. I feel relaxed when I paint. I love trying new recipes when I have time. I like watching travel videos online. I enjoy learning new languages. I often go cycling on weekends. I like spending time in nature. I love playing games with my friends. I feel happy when I do my hobbies. Excellent. Now, repeat this section 2 or 3 times every day. You'll notice your English becoming smoother, faster, and more natural. The secret to fluency is repetition with feeling. You're doing amazing. Keep going. Welcome back, my dear English learners. Now it's time for our vocabulary and pronunciation practice. We'll learn some useful words and phrases from today's lesson. I'll explain each one, give you an example sentence, and then you'll repeat after me. Ready? Let's go. Hobby. A hobby is something you like to do in your free time. Example: my favorite hobby is reading books. Enjoy. Enjoy means to like something or to have fun doing it. Example: I enjoy listening to music when I'm relaxing. Nature. Nature means the world around us. Trees, rivers, mountains, animals. Example: I like taking photos of nature. Excellent job. You've learned 7 useful words today, all connected to your hobbies and daily life. Let's say them one more time together. Hobby, enjoy, relaxing, recipe, nature, fantastic. You're not only learning to speak, you're learning to sound natural, confident, and expressive. Now, in the final part of our lesson, we'll finish strong with motivation and encouragement to keep your English journey going every single day. Wonderful work today, my dear English learners. You've just completed day 4 of our Speak English Fluently in 15 Days challenge. Today, you learned how to talk about your hobbies clearly, naturally, and with emotion. You practiced slow speaking, natural rhythm, emotional tone, and key vocabulary. That's amazing progress. Let's celebrate that. You're growing every day. Now remember, speaking English fluently doesn't happen in one day. It happens when you practice a little bit, every single day. So I want you to come back to this video, Shadow it again, repeat after me, and speak out loud with confidence. Every time you repeat, your English will sound smoother, clearer, and more natural. Believe in yourself, you can do this. You're already improving your pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. I'm proud of you, truly. And here's your quote of the day. Fluency grows with practice, not perfection. So keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep shining in your English journey. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell. Tomorrow's topic is another fun one. We'll learn how to talk about your family in English. Until then, keep speaking, keep shadowing, and keep believing in yourself. This is Ariel, your English coach, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now, and happy learning.